Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. I have two viral math questions, but before that, start out our top challengers feature here. Comment your answer. Our question is 6 divided by 12 divided by 12 divided by 6. This is like a very tricky one. Okay, very tricky. Many fail to solve, but if you solve with a stepwise method, you will solve it very easily. So try to solve your own and comment your answer. We will solve with the help of PEMDAS and KCF rule. Okay. So first, what we have 6 divided by 12. We can write like this. So you can easily understand 6 divided by 12. This division is also a division. So we will write like this. Okay. And 12 divided by 6. So 12 divided by 6. We can add parenthesis. We can write simply like this. Okay. So when we divide 6 divided by 12, we can write like 6 divided by 12. Division. When we divide 12 divided by 6, we will get 2. Okay. And here we will apply the KCF rule. So it will become, we will keep this part 6 plus 12 and division is changed to multiplication. 2 is become 1 by 2. So here 2 times 3 and here 3 by 12 and answer is 3 times 1 and 4, that is 1 by 4 is the right answer. Coming to the next question, we have 2 plus 2 close parenthesis square divided by 2 square. Okay, this is a very simple one, but many fail to solve. So try to solve by your own and comment your answer. I will solve with stepwise as we have done earlier and with the help of the PEMDAS. So first we will solve for this parenthesis part. 2 plus 2 which equals to 4 square divided by 2 square, and we have to solve 4 square which equals to 4 into 4, which will give 16, and for 2 square, that is 2 into 2, that is 4. So you can simply write 16 divided by 4 and it will give you the result 4. So here 4 is the right answer. Comment your answer and watch these videos which are tricky one. Thanks for watching.